So, what is good, YouTube? Have a unboxing for you guys. A nice little modded controller, 21 mode from these guys named XL Team. Right there. Yeah. Love their shipping. Shout out to you, XL Team. They're on eBay. I don't think you can find them anywhere else. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description for their store, but sell some pretty good ass mods if you ask me. Got a 21 mode here. What is it? Adjustable jitter, a few other freaking mods. But I'm just unbox this so I can make the video not too long for you guys, not a boring ass video. But for all you haters that's watching this, just exit the hell out of my video. If you are cool, leave a comment, subscribe, like. I'll do some gameplay like later on once I get like used to the controller and everything. But yeah, let me get this unboxing done. So yeah, hold on. Yeah, it didn't come like this with the electrical tape and everything on it. One of my friends had actually unboxed this and told this juice don't do it, so I just had to electrical tape it back because I wanted to make an unboxing video for you guys. So yeah, hold on. Yeah, got nothing much. Lots of freaking packing peanuts, stupid ass things. But more safe than sorry, I guess. Get this out, show you guys the controller. Let's see, stupid packing peanuts. And here we are. Controller. Let's see what this is. Yep, we got some instructions from XL Team. See, 21 mode. Oh, this is sexy. This is freaking sexy. Oh my god, this is cool. First mod ever. Well, not really. Got my old mod controller. Right here. Simple old modded controller, 5 mode. But this one, freaking upgrade. No batteries in it. Get some batteries real fast for you guys. Oh, they're dead. Give me a little moment, guys. Blue LEDs. I'm not sure if you can see that. But these blue LEDs, the batteries are full. They're not low at all. I guess that's just how the LEDs came. Actually, in real life, that's not that low. It's like a nice color blue, a nice color shade of blue, actually. But sync this cut to the my Xbox console, and later on I'll do some gameplay for you guys. So yeah, thanks.